What is list leverage system? Why is everybody talking about this system? It is easy to set up, it is newbie friendly, it is really worth to jump into this opportunity. Stay tuned. Hey, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to this video. Before I get into the topic and I tell you everything about list leverage, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be covering everything about list leverage system. It is really worth it. Well, you're going to discover this in a video. I'm pretty sure that by now you have heard the concept that the money is in the list. It doesn't matter what business you have, the money is in the list. The bigger your email list, the more money and the easier you're going to make money online. So what is list leverage system? Well, list leverage system is a lead generation, traffic optimization, and marketing education platform. Everything wrapped into one huge business opportunity with multiple income streams. Okay, so you're gonna have 4 income streams into this program. The first one is the viral lead pass-up system. Let me tell you exactly what it is. So you're gonna be receiving or you're gonna receive every 5th opt-in or lead that your download brings. So that means that the 5th, the 10th, the 15th, okay, and so on, you're gonna get that leads. So that means that 20% of their leads you will receive. Okay, so if someone bring 100 people, they're gonna pass up 20 to you. What if you have 2 people who are doing exactly the same, right? They're getting 100 leads, so you're getting 40 leads, and so on. So your email list is gonna grow way faster and way cheaper because of this viral lead pass-up system. You're also gonna have a multiple residual income stream. Okay, yes, you're gonna have the opportunity, right, to make money with list leverage itself, which is gonna be $20 per month plus every 5th sale from your downline. That's correct. You are not only going to make money from your direct sales, but every 5th sale, it's going to be passed up to you. Okay, you need an autoresponder because you're building an email list. Okay, so you are going to be using SendSharp, which is an autoresponder system, and because you're going to be promoting it as well inside the system, you're going to be making $12.50 per month. Okay, there is another great opportunity, which is a traffic system, which is called Traffic Authority, and you're going to be making $56 per month. Okay, $56 per month. You are going to also have the opportunity to earn high ticket commissions. Yes, these incomes, it's great to make $10, $20, $50 per month, but it's even way better when you get a $200 commission, a $1,000 commission, $5,000 commission. I can tell you this is really exciting. So with the list leverage system, you're gonna earn 50% from all traffic packages, your direct downline orders. Okay, 50% for your direct sales and about 20% from their direct members. Okay, so you're gonna have the potential to make between $220 to over $8,000 per order, and this is something that can change your life. I can tell you that. You're gonna have access to what they call the click cash traffic monetization. You are gonna earn an average of 25 cents per click from your list, even if they don't buy anything. Okay, I know that's pretty incredible. I know that's amazing because hey, you're gonna have your list there, right? You're gonna have your list there and you can monetize that list right away. Okay, so you're gonna be building a huge list, you're gonna monetize your list, and remember, you're gonna get paid even if they don't buy anything. and market the list leverage system, which is a great business opportunity or any other business opportunity. What does that mean? That if right now you have a business opportunity that is amazing, you're promoting a software or an online platform, an online digital marketing platform, you are promoting your own course, hey, you can use this huge list that you're going to be building. So this is a win-win-win situation. I have never seen anything like this before. Okay, on top of everything that I have mentioned, you will get access to incredible bonuses, tools, and training for becoming a list leverage member. Okay, this, you're gonna get the capture pages and landing pages. You're gonna have email swipe banners. You're gonna have a complete system training. Okay, if you have LinkedIn account, right, you're gonna learn how to get leads from LinkedIn, how to get leads from Bing ads, how to generate leads from free from Facebook. You're gonna have access to a private Facebook group in which you're gonna be able to reach, you know, the top earners, people who are actually, you know, making good money with them. You're gonna be able to ask them questions. You're going to be getting daily live training with the CEO and other top earners. You're going to have access to a weekly presentation calls. This is on every Tuesday night. Weekly list building mastery calls. You're going to have access to a support group. Okay. Plus, every super affiliate is going to get access to the company traffic rotator. Okay. I want you to keep in mind every super affiliate is going to get access to the company traffic rotator. Okay, so this is a no-brainer. A few things that I take a look if I decide, or if I'm in the middle of deciding, like, is this business opportunity for me or not? Well, if this is something that people want and need, everybody who is really serious about making money online, they know that the money is in the list, and they know how hard it can be to build an email list. Okay, so this is definitely something that you need to have a list. After you have a list, you can promote anything you want. It's going to be way easier. It's the setup for newbie. Yeah, I can tell you it's really easy. It's really newbie friendly. In just 4 steps, you're going to have your system for up and running, and that's it. You're going to have all the training that you need. You're going to have the guideline that you need. I can tell you it's really newbie friendly. Does this comply with what I'm currently doing, or what you're currently doing? I can tell you yes. Okay, even though I don't know who you are, what are you currently promoting right now, I can tell you that this is gonna help you. This is gonna help. It's gonna help you grow your business faster. Okay, because you can not only promote this, you can promote whatever you want. Okay, because it's gonna be your list, and I'm able to scale it up for sure. Does the compensation efforts make sense? Hey, yes, you can make low ticket commissions, and you are going to have the opportunity to make high ticket commissions. You're going to be able to make or to monetize your list even if you decide not to take any kind of action. So how much does this cost? Okay, the list leverage system, they do have 2 packages. The beginner package is $49.90 per month. This includes the back office access and the results right to list leverage. Okay, your viral lead generation splash page, so you don't have to create a landing page, it's already done for you. Okay, you're gonna have access to 2 additional income stream, and you will be able to earn $20 per month per referral. Okay, I decided to join as a super affiliate. That's what I told you before that. Remember the concept about the super affiliate and the rotator. Okay, why? Because I understand the potential of this. Okay, so I do have access to my back office. You're gonna have access to the back office as well. You're gonna have the right to resell list leverage. You're gonna have your viral lead generation splash page. You're gonna have access to do additional income stream, and this VIP package, I do have access to the VIP access for a full year. I do have immediate access to an additional 200 income stream, plus I'm saving right now over $160. So if you have the opportunity to jump into the super affiliate level, go ahead and jump into the super affiliate level. You're going to be saving money. You're going to be, unlocking the possibility to make an additional $200 income stream, and you're going to be, on the rotator. Then let me tell you about SEMchart, which is the autoresponder. Okay, if you are already on this, maybe you have another autoresponder, and I can guarantee you that right now you're paying way more than $25 and you do not have 50,000 people in your list. Okay, so with SEMchart you're going to be paying $25 per month, but you can have a list of up to 50,000 subscribers, which is a lot of people. Okay, your SEMchart account, it's going to be automatically set up for you with your list. Yes, you hear it right. Let me repeat that. Your SEMchart account will be automatically set up for you with your list. Okay, you're going to have your follow-up series. The emails that are included in the list are going to have your affiliate ID. It's going to be completely integrated with List Leverage as soon as you join SEMchart. Okay, I know this is kind of incredible. So this means that you do not need to edit or add or connect anything. Okay, that's one of the reasons why I'm suggesting you to jump in, because this is 100% newbie friendly, and you're going to be earning $12.50 per month per referral who joins SEMchart through List Leverage. This is something optional, but I want you to take into consideration. You can also join Traffic Authority. They have two packages. They do have the newbie package, in which you're going to be making 50% of the traffic package purchase from your direct, and around 20% from your downline people purchase. Okay, also you're going to be making $15 per month as commission as well. The other package, which is the Elite Earner package, okay, it's $144 per month. You're going to earn 50% of the traffic package purchase from your direct, and around 20% from your downline purchase. Okay, for your downline people's purchase, you are going to qualify to earn both $16 per month and $40 per month residual income commission. So if you decide to go ahead and jump into this, the link is going to be below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. You can start with the $74 per month, or you can start with the $398. You're going to have access to the list leverage for a year, and you're going to be paying an additional $25 per month. Okay, although I know it's optional to get the Traffic Authority, I suggest you to go ahead and purchase it. Okay, because you're going to have the opportunity to make high commissions, okay, because of the Traffic Authority. So if you have the opportunity to do it, go ahead and do it. If you can just join with the $74 per month, that's okay. If you can take advantage of the super affiliate status because you want to be part of the rotator, the traffic rotator, go ahead and jump with the $398 package. At the end, the decision is up to you. Remember that you're going to have a system which is really easy to set up. Just in 4 steps, you're going to have everything up and running. You don't need to worry about, setting up or connecting out an autoresponder, scratching your head like, okay, I have this great business opportunity. I don't know how to design a landing page. I don't know how to create an email follow-up series. They have everything done for you. Your only job is to study the system and to use that knowledge. You can use it to promote List Leverage, or you can use it to promote any other business. At the end of the day, this is going to be your list. You can promote anything you want to it. It do have a huge opportunity. So take action. If you have some questions, if you have some comments, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Remember, jump into this opportunity. Hey, the link is going to be below. It doesn't matter. Go ahead with the $74 package per month, or if you can pay in full for a year, you're not going to be only going to be saving money. You know, you're going to have the opportunity to make an additional $200 commission. And at the end of the day, the decision is yours. This is it for this video. If you find this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.